Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to set up Rethink DNS on our Android smartphone. So let's check it out. Rethink DNS or Android might change their settings user interface in the future. If the options are different when you are watching this, then please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. Rethink DNS is a popular DNS service which I came across only quite recently and I started to use it. And I love it because of the custom options available here. They come with options to block spyware, data leaks, ad trackers, etc. We will see how to use this now. To do this, we have to open a web browser on our mobile or desktop. Then go to rethinkdns.com. We will get like this. Here we have to select try Rethink DNS for free. Then we will get this configuration page. We have a huge block list here for safe search, dating, gambling, torrents, etc. The list goes on. We can use the search option at the top to search for any specific ones. For example, I can search for Telegram and we will get the option here. We can select this. Now, after finalizing the list of categories or filters you want, we can select this add option. We can add them. Also, if this interface is confusing, we can go to this three-dot menu and select simple here. We can select simple here and we will get this simple interface with the description. If not, we can go to advanced. We will get like this. After adding the filters we want, we can go to the top and select DOT instead of DOH. We are going to use DNS over TLS instead of DNS over HTTPS. DOH is usually for browsers, but for system-wide protection, we need the DOT hostname. We are going to copy this value. We can see that here. We are going to copy this value and keep it ready. After copying this value, we have to go to our Android phone's settings. We will get like this. We are using OnePlus smartphone for doing this right now, but these steps should be more or less the same for any modern Android smartphone. Here we have to go to mobile network, then go down and go to more settings, and here we will have the private DNS option. We can select this. Or we can go to the settings and use the search option to search for private DNS. We will get this. That's all. Here we are going to add the copied DOT value in the specified DNS option. We are going to select this. We are going to remove this. And we are going to paste the one we copied right now. And we are going to save this. That's all. Now we are using the Rethink DNS instead of our ISP or any other DNS provider. We have a Rethink mobile app too for Android. This combines DNS plus firewall plus VPN. This is more like a companion app. We can try this out if you are interested. These are the steps to set up Rethink DNS on our Android smartphone. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.